Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the unexpected error problem on Instagram. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, now tap on the Instagram app and click on I button and scroll down. Now tap on the storage, click on clear cache and click on clear data, delete, and now tap on pause stops. Okay, click on permission option and allow all permission. First of all, calendar, allow, back. Second, call logs, allow, back. Camera, allow, back. Contracts, allow, back. And location, allow. And another microphone, nearby devices. Notifications, turn on notifications. Okay, back. And phone, allow. Photos and videos, allow. Okay, done. Allow all permission. And another, now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar, search for Instagram and tap on Instagram and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, done. And open your Instagram app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.